Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A15, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your phone to an SD card and vice versa. And to get started, you'll want to open up File Manager application, which for me is right over here. Just allow whatever it wants. So once you open it up, you should see your two storages at the bottom. So we have the phone storage and the SD card. Now I'm going to start with the phone storage and touch upon a couple of folders that might be of importance to you. So number one, and probably the most important one, will be the DCIM, which contains pictures and videos captured with the device, as you can see right here, and it also looks like it contains screenshots as well. And then the second one will be the downloads folder, which will contain anything that I have downloaded through web browser, email, anything overall you just downloaded gets put into this folder. And that's primarily most of the important folders, to be honest. Normally there's also pictures folder at the bottom that contains screenshots, but we already touched upon the fact that DCIM on this device contains screenshots. So anyway, once you find your files, what you want to do is select them, and you do so by simply holding them. As you can see, they become checked at the on the side. So that once more. Here we go. And once they become checked, you can quickly tap on other files to select more of them. Now you also have option to select all if you want to by tapping on this square right here. We'll select every file in this folder, or if you want to select also every file, you can just select a folder that contains all of those photos instead of selecting them individually. So I'll just go back and select the entire screenshots folder the same way I did these files by holding it. Now whichever way you do it, it's completely up to you. But once the files are selected, you want to pick between the two options, so you can either copy the files or move them. Select which ones you want, and once you choose one of the two options, it will bring up this window right here, and you want to select where you want to copy or move those files to. So obviously again we have the phone and the SD card as the storage options. Now right now we are on the phone storage, that's where the files are located right now, so I'm just gonna navigate to something completely different like the SD card. And from here you can see folders are virtually the same, so you can navigate into folder that you want to drop it into. You can tap on the plus icon to create a new folder, or just don't bother navigating to any folder and drop it straight to the SD card by tapping on move here. Now personally, I'm just gonna go into the downloads folder and move it into the downloads folder. And there we go. It's been moved now, so I can go back and show you these files right here. So that is how you can move or copy any kind of file from one location to another. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.